For this video, I'll be discussing some simple techniques for drawing backgrounds for your webtoon. An important note is to remember viewers don't often pay attention to backgrounds, so unless they're the focus of that frame, don't bother perfecting it. We will begin with the easiest type. They're often used as a dramatic effect, often to express feelings of isolation, loss, or simply acting as a focus upon a character. Next, we have the gradient background. The colors and the order the gradient goes will have an effect on the frame's atmosphere. For example, gradients from white to dark grey would evoke an unsettling atmosphere, perhaps to convey the character's dark intentions. Another example could be from orange to red to express anger. A simple pattern commonly used is the white semicircle in the colored background. This is often used during comic relief. Polka dots and pastel colors could also be used for this purpose. Some other background patterns are the lightning strike, used to express feelings such as anger and realization, the basket hatching often to convey a strong emotion from a character. Most commonly in romance stories, roses or flowers are often used to show a character's, making the audience see a character in a romanticized light. Speed lines also are a common pattern to use to bring focus or evoke a sense of speed towards the subject. That's it for now. I'll make another video on backgrounds soon.